Alright, the IAC has calmed down a little bit. One thing I have done, hopefully this fan isn't blowing you out. These are ferrite cores, like basically chokes. Put it on all of the wires, power wires, signal wires, and everything for the Holley. Coil wires, the whole shot. They're all tucked back in there. I moved all the wiring down away from the coil and the distributor. And this isn't really done. This was never supposed to be a problem. I was supposed to pick away at this thing, just get it running, drive around, have fun, and just start cleaning it all up as time went on. But you know, had all these problems. So all of the Holley stuff was routed up here in the main harness. I don't know if there was some electrical interference or whatever, but if you saw my previous video where I was having trouble with the idle air control on the Sniper just chuffing away and it running like crap, I figured, what could it really be? It sounds like electrical noise, the way that it was reacting or acting. So I moved everything away from the coil and lowered it all down. Saw the Holley loom right down there. It's all as far away from the distributor as I can get it. Now if I had a big block, the distributor would be right there, and you know, this would be a non-issue. There it is. Actually, it's doing it again. Well, this is what it's been doing, and I can't figure it out. I'm glad I caught it on camera. Look at that. This thing's crazy. I don't understand what it could possibly be doing. I've moved all the wiring, disconnected everything, checked all of my grounds, checked everything. I have no idea what the issue with it is. Cleaned all the plugs. No clue. It ran fine until it warmed up. Hung out there warming up for, I don't know, 5 minutes I'd say. At, you know, 185. I figured I'd break out the camera to show you guys. Man. I just tapped the gas and it's stuck open. Freaking crazy.